Welcome to our channel. If you want to use guest mode on your Roku device while traveling to access your streaming accounts without leaving login information behind, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote 5 times rapidly to access the secret developer menu on your Roku device. Step 2. Note that Roku does not have an official guest mode feature, so you'll need to manually manage your account access when traveling. Step 3. Bring your Roku streaming stick or portable device with you to hotels and rental properties for easier setup with your existing accounts. Step 4. Connect your Roku to the hotel or rental TV by plugging it into an available HDMI port and connecting to the property's Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Log into your streaming apps normally during your stay, using your personal account credentials to access your content libraries. Step 6. Before checking out, go to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset to remove all your personal information and login credentials from the device. Step 7. Alternatively, manually log out of each streaming app individually by opening the app, going to Account Settings, and selecting Sign Out or Log Out. Step 8. For hotel TVs without guest mode, use your mobile device with screen mirroring or bring a Chromecast or Fire Stick for temporary streaming access instead. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.